Me. Do it again, Nick. Are you video chatting with Nick?
I wonder if I hold up my phone to his hand, I can follow it.
Maybe.
I think not, because it doesn't have a screen tag. So I will.
She heard Zoe's name. Can you move the screen down a little so he can see her face? Okay. There. She's resting her head on the computer. Are you on Skype?
FaceTime.
FaceTime. FaceTime?
Hello. Hello.
You threw your head. Every time it's just a little bit, like a little bit tilt. Hi, Soya. Hi, Soya. Mona farted. Hi, Soya. Soya.
Hi. Hiya.
She's never really interested in Skype. Yeah. Mona's looking at herself. You're conceited. Soya. Oh no, she's looking at Soya because she followed her head. That's cute. Soya. She knows it's not like we're not really here.
Soya's too smart.
This one is not smart. This one's a dit. No, but she's interested though. She's like, that's Nick. I know you. I know you. She's like, I think I slept with you. Are you done now? Are you done FaceTiming?
Yeah, I'm done.
You done?
I'm done now.
Look at your big head. Say bye, Nick. Bye, Nick. One more. Her ears different glasses. Say bye.
Okay, get off my lap now.
Say bye, Nick.